If you are a non-technical person and looking for an easy and user-friendly programming language to kickstart your coding journey, then here I will share you the top 3 easiest languages to go with. At number 3, we have the language that you might have started off when you were in your school. Yes guys, it's HTML. Hypertext Markup Language is one of the most common programming language for beginners because of its easy and straightforward concept. At number 2, we have CSS. Guys, cascading style sheets are used to create beautiful visual styles you see on a web page. You will definitely encounter CSS once in your lifetime if your work is to deal with building web pages and emails. And now, at number 1, we have Python. If you want to pursue a solid career in data science and machine learning, then Python will definitely be the right choice for you, as it is an object-oriented language with simple syntax and a huge number of libraries. It is the easiest language to learn even for a person with non-tech background. So these were the easy languages that you can learn to start your coding journey. For more such updates, subscribe to Fingertips.